Get ready! Get ready! Go! 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 Go!
Frank, I'm on you!
There we go. How many people we got up there?
Frank! Yo, let's move out some. We can always bleed back to Castle.
True. Set up on that window with that RPK. I don't have any visual. How about you?
Yeah, they're pushing low.
All right.
Wanna pick up this wood pile?
Yep. Seems legit. They're pushing right there. Let's go.
Probably.
You want to fucking lay down right here and wait till they pass if they overrun us?
Sure.
Wait till they're a little closer. Watch that way. I got this way.
Stay low. Look through the cracks. Just stay low.
I really hope we got guys down that way because they could just
Yeah, look,
flank
we got guys down there. Fuck, stay down.
Tango in range.
Get down.
I'll look through the crack here. I'll be able to take the shot if he moves it. Fuck, that guy's down. Where? I see him, I see him. Shot. Still confirmed? I don't know. I have confirmed hits on him, not calling him.
He's hit, he's hit.
Sorry, you gotta wave your hand or something.
Frank, left, left, left. Holy shit, left. Holy shit, left.
Have they spotted me?
I'm hit.
Holy shit. I gotta get you out of here. We're not gonna be able to hold this. There's guys forward too. Kill confirmed. Shit. Kill confirmed.
Really?
Kill confirmed. Hit!
Alright, good work. Not bad.
We can just wait for bleed out and then call ass.
Hey!
You're back in.
Huge ass flank. We gotta push him back this way. Huge flank going.
Get the medic.
All right.
Nobody.
Look, we gotta stay in the castle. We got one out here. We gotta start taking back some land over there. We're gonna need more than 2 people though.
Watch out, watch out.
Oh shit! I told you, they're flanking. I think that, yo, they're down by the train tunnel, Dom.
Fuck, dude.
You want to push around there?
We're about to be surrounded.
Might as well fall back and get a position there. We can cut some people
I
down.
don't know, man.
He's right. Let's get a position. Let's move. Hey, are they down by the train tunnel? I'm hearing fire down there.
Yeah, we got guys over there though.
All right.
I'm more worried about the castle right now.
All right. Are you met? Who was in? Okay, you are medic. Okay, good.
What's up?
There's a lot of guys over there too.
Let's get guys on top of the tunnel.
On top of the tunnel? Oh.
Wanna go there?
Yeah, 3 guys going now.
Let's go.
Alright, we good.
We can't let
We can always. All right. How many people do they have? We go in the tunnel in case they try that.
Oh, my guys are getting there. We have guys here.
Okay.
They keep on pushing us back, and we keep letting them.
Yeah, they're pushing this
We're
way.
buying time though, right? So it takes them 5,
Cut them
10
down as
minutes
they
to
come
keep
in.
going.
We're okay on this side.
That side will be fine. Yeah. We'll find somewhere that's short-handed around here.
What's that?
We'll find somewhere short-handed around here unless they get in the
I would go
castle.
over there and look. They got guys behind that tree over there. Look like they're pinned down.
Alright,
we're gonna
yeah.
take
So
that.
they get
Alright,
that.
let's
They
go.
can get back here. We can fight all day over here, but they can just go back and forth.
Frank. Yo, they're over there. Don't They're all over there.
All over there.
No, they're all over there.
All right.
Oh shit, Frank, this corner's hot, I guess.
I guess so.
What the fuck?
Nothing. Oh yeah, I see a guy. Keep your head down. Blue panel, blue panel.
Not 12. I don't know if I got him, but he's got one down.
Did I hit him?
I don't know. I thought I got one too. Someone needs to take a picture of this. We could try to move up. We got to take that blue panel. You want to move to that spool? I'll move there and we can try. Fuck. That's one down. Good job. Got you. Can't confirm. Stand by.
You need to fall back.
Got me.
I'm gonna drag you back here. Move back, move back, move backwards.
Don't get yourself killed just to drag me back.
Ooh, get sniped. You see a medic anywhere?
There's that kid that's
Frank.
standing inside the castle, yeah. Don't worry about me, I'll just
Frank, if you bleed back, tell them we need more guys over here.
Okay.
You're gonna bleed out.
Frank, bleed back. Frank, bleed out. I need you up here. Okay.
I'm on your 6.
Get down, get down.
I'm down.
They're starting to pin us down, man. They're gonna rush us soon.
That guy's got like a DMR. What are you doing?
Someone in the way is probably affecting the bees.
Okay. Holy shit. Are they friendly? Hostiles! Behind us!
No way.
Yep. I think most of them are dead. You want to go push them back?
No.
They're close. I don't know how many are still alive.
Yep. Confirmed hostiles still alive. Ah! Hit!
Hit! And they're in the White House. There's that our guys. They got behind us. I told you we needed to go to the train tunnel.
Oh, dude, how did they let them fall?
I don't know. Bad influence apparently didn't have enough people there. We can try to bleed out through the front door of the castle and find a medic. Bleeding out!
You guys get... I need a medic.
Medic, I'm over here, medic. You're back in.
Yo, guys, they're all over. They're all over the castle.
Where's the medic? You're back in. We need defend this center, right? Their objective is in here.
We got guys on this corner here.
Hold on, we got guys in Courtyard.
Can we get out the back?
Watch this Courtyard. Watch the Courtyard, guys.
Watch that window. Watch that window. Nice shot, nice shot.
Whoa, 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 whoa. We got fire in the Courtyard from the other side. From the other side. Is there a grenade there? Ricochet, did I get hit?
I think that was a ricochet from me.
Are they into the other side?
Hey guys, the football on the trailer.
Yeah, watch out.
Get out of the way, Rick.
Dude, they're pushing the courtyard.
Window down! Stop, Fred.
They're pushing the courtyard.
I see that.
Window.
Oh, fuck, dude, we're getting...
Window. Which window?
This one.
About to be...
Got
We're about to get fucked.
Still got guys on this corner.
We gotta get medics in the
I
courtyard.
know.
hit. Nice.
Where's the fire coming? These guys
Oh,
are
fuck.
Shot me right through that freaking window.
Take that corner there.
Medic.
Take this, we need to cover this angle here. That's fine. Window up! There's guys in court.
Watch out.
Medic.
Watch that window.
Yeah.
I might flip that down.
Where are they at? Outside?
We could push them.
Guys are pushing White House.
This window right here.
The window
The window that can be. Alright, I see it.
Pin them down at the White
I
House.
couldn't even see it.
Keep them suppressed.
Yo, you're on the way out.
I see
Take back.
There's one more guy dead. There's a pipe standing outside this door over here.
Shit.
Hit! Hit! Watch out. Hit! I'm hit. Close by. Where's it coming from?
This is not looking good, dude.
Are they in that trailer? Yo, do you have any guys in this trailer? Like, what the hell is that? Is this trailer hostile or something? I'm pretty sure it's hostile.
Hey, I'm a trailer.
Cross the other trailer from across. That guy's coming out.
No.
No medic in here?
No.
Yeah, there should be.
Yes, there should
He's dead out there. He's dead right there. He's dead outside the door.
Got hostiles outside the walls.
Oh, shit. Hey! Medic.
Anybody know where medic is?
Got him. Hey, is anybody watching outside?
It's gonna have to be you. We're running out of people. Let's go watch both. Yes, just walk out. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, medic. Medic! No medic. There's no medic in here. No medic? I'm gonna find one. I'll go with you.
I'm hit.
That player walking out!
Yeah.
That player walking out. Where's the medic?
Watch out, they smoked the courtyard.
Dead player coming through.
We have a guy up top.
We need a medic.
Guys are moving in the trailer.
Dead player coming out.
Holy.
Watch out.
Watch this way, Dad. They come in that way. We're gonna all get shot up.
Get one guy watching the door, one guy watching the window. We're running out of people.
Yeah.
All right, Tom, I'm gonna bleed out.
I need you back here.
Bleeding out!
We got barrels over here.
Hey, somebody come over here.
Yeah, the windows over there.
Medic, 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 medic. Allah Akbar, you're all dead. Drop the grenade. You guys all around here are dead.
Drop the grenade.
Right there.
Hold it.
Put your hand up, you're it.
We're all dead.
Holy fuck, dude.
I was in this other room over here.
It wasn't in our room.
We're dead. We are dead. We're dead.
Okay. They got me from that room now.
We're dead. We saw a grenade. We're dead.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, all right, let me go ahead.
Yep. These guys are all dead. Okay, Orange, we hold this room.
Oh, you guys are dead. You guys are dead.
I'm out, yes.
Is that it?
That's friendly grenade. You guys are dead.
Friendly.
That counts.
Where's the grenade?
Right there.
Okay, we're dead.
Damn, that sucks.
Now this is the other
Medic!
grenade.
Orange medic!
You guys gotta walk back. You can't.
Oh, that's right. Ow! You shot us.
You can't get revived from a grenade.
Yeah, we have to bleed out.
We have to.
You guys just threw an anger in team.
No, I think that was enemy. I think they threw from this side, yeah.
No, it was,
No, it was
Oh, it's friendly?
There was them guys right here coming in. I threw a grenade with black, they had red skulls on it.
Yeah, you just killed us all. Nice job.
That sucks.
All right.
everybody's
Orange?
Dead.
Medic? Yeah.
Where?
Everyone?
Everyone dead?
Orange, hold this room.
Use a medic.
Orange, hold this room.
I mean, I guess that counts as bleeding out.
Hey!
Excuse me, boys. Holy shit! Chill.
Yo, Dom. There is no medics anywhere, but I go up to an orange medic. There's 8 people on the side of that castle. He medics me, drop the grenade and scream Allahu Akbar. They all died.
Did you get it on film?
Yep.
Yeah. Let's find a medic. We're gonna find him. We're gonna find a medic. Frank, we're finding a medic, dude.
We'll go wherever we have to. Medic!
I'm about to just lob a grenade over there, dude.
The orange guy
Just a Hail Mary.
dropped the grenade and 8 people died.
Got any blue medics?
Medic! Dude, I'm about to fix a bayonet and get
We need a medic.
medic! Tell me there's a medic.
Medic?
There's no medic on this whole field.
Guys, there's like 30 seconds left. You gotta push.
Medic! I take it we lost. Dude,
That was fun.
this footage, holy shit. You're gonna game over.